Hello for everyone. This is CS50’s web programming with Python and JavaScript. Our task was to complete the implementation of our own Wiki encyclopedia. We start with the folder which consists of MD files with title and the information about this title. When we write here the title, we have to go to the page with this title. Okay, let's try. Write here C Wiki CSS, we go to the CSS, HTML, we go to the HTML. If you write here the title that does not exist, we go to the error page. Okay, go to the home page. The next task was to create a list with the titles from the folder. Okay, here you can see the list, and we can go to every of pages in this list. It's all pages in our wiki. The next task was to implement the search form for Wiki encyclopedia. When we input here the P, for example, we see the results, the list with the title which consists with T. We can go to all of them. When we write here the title that exists, we go directly to this page with this title. The next task was to implement the create new page function. Let's try. When we write here the title that already exists, we cannot create new page with this title, and we see the error of the message that title is already exists. Okay, let's create new page with new title. For example, rocket, and I have information about rocket. Oh, no, this is not the right information about rocket. Here, write save. We redirect to this new page. When we go home, we see the new title in our list. We can go for this page with this title. Okay, then we should add editing function for all pages in our Wiki encyclopedia. If we try to edit page, we can add to form some word, add, save this, and we see that we add the new and we see edited page. Go to the home page, Python, let's delete that we edited. Then we have to implement random page. When we push on this button, on this link, we go to the random page in our Wiki encyclopedia. Okay, we see that it works. It works. Very nice. Thank you for a good task, and thank you for watching.